Welcome to my channel. How to connect Arlo to Spectrum modem router via PC. Connect computer to router. The first steps to complete the connection, you have to connect your computer with the router. To connect, use the LAN cable. Make sure the cable you are using is in good condition. Go to my.arlo.com, go to the browser of the computer, and type in the interface login URL my.arlo.com into the address bar of the computer browser. The desktop will load the login page of the interface. Enter login credentials. Here in this page, you will see the username and password fields. If you are logging in for the first time, then use the Arlo user manual. Just enter the login credentials and click on the next button to reach to the interface dashboard. Change frequency to 2.4 GHz. After getting to the dashboard of the Arlo interface, you have to find the advanced settings and click on the networks. Then, change the frequency from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz and save the settings. Now, click on the Connect without Smartphone button. Follow instruction in interface. By clicking the Connect without Smartphone button, you have to follow the on-screen instruction showed on the screen. After completing all the steps, the connection of Arlo to Spectrum modem router will be established. Thanks for watching.